guys, thanks for coming. My name is Jocelyn Morris. I'm the founder of VeganBossLady, and today we are going to kickstart your mind. I'm going to walk you through the super easy process of changing your mindset so that you can have the long-term success that you want. And you want to stick around to the end because I'm going to give you your link where you can download your copy of my book, Kickstart Your Mind, and how you can get over 80 healthy raw vegan recipes for free. So stick around to the end. Also, you guys, I know there's so many distractions around, so just shut your phone off for about 10 minutes and pay attention. And you might even want to go grab a pen and paper because this is really quick and short, but it's so valuable. And just so you know, guys, I do have to pre-record these videos because our Wi-Fi where we live is terrible. So I am live though in the comments. So please say hello down below. I will say hi back. I am down there. Ask me your questions and I will respond. And I know a lot of you can't attend when I air it live, so I will be putting it up for replay and I will still be checking the comments. So even if you don't see it when we're live, put your comments down below and say hello. Let me know you watched and let me know you're here and what you think. And you're probably wondering why I'm even qualified to talk about this. Let me tell you, in my journey, I have lost over 180 pounds because I've gone through 8 pregnancies and I've been able to stay lean and fit and healthy. And I want to share with you guys what I've learned. So let's dig into how we can kickstart our mind. Just imagine what your life will be like after you've learned how to change your mindset and reach your goals. Can you see yourself actually reaching your goals and doing those things that you really want to do in your life? Would that make things better for you? Would it make life more enjoyable? So in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can shift your mindset without spending countless hours studying books and reading and going to online courses and doing those things, but doing it quickly. Are you ready to dig in? Okay, so what you think you can achieve. So say this with me. Everything starts in my mind. Say it out loud with me right now. Everything starts in my mind. Okay, so what I need you to do is to focus on what you desire. You know, too often when we need to make changes in our life, we focus on the negative. Because think about it. Too often we think of how hard it is or what we have to give up and how much pain it's going to cause us. And so would we as human beings purposefully put ourselves through pain? Would we be motivated to do that? Are you motivated to put yourself through pain? Of course not. We're motivated to have pleasure, to have fun, to be happy, to feel good. So we need to focus on the positive because when you focus on the negative, what you're giving up, the pain, those things, that's why we fail. Okay? So we got to shift our mindset. Don't think about the hard stuff. Think about what you desire. You desire to have a lean physique, or you desire to have the energy to keep up with your kids, or you desire to no longer have pain, but to feel amazing and fluid and energetic. So I need you to think of a positive goal. So the first thing you need to do to kickstart your mind is to set a positive goal. Now we all know when we set a goal, it needs to follow certain guidelines, and I'm going to quick tell you what it is. If you think of SMART, okay, the acronym SMART, it is specific, it is measurable, it is attainable, it is realistic, and it is time-bound. So let me give you an example of a positive goal. It would say something like this. I will lose 10 pounds in 3 months. Okay, it's specific, it's measurable, it's attainable, it's realistic, and it's time-bound. Okay, another one could be I will eat fully raw in 4 weeks. Okay, it's another way to do a positive goal. An example of a negative goal, the way we don't want to do it, would be I will not eat chocolate for 3 months. That doesn't work. We don't want to focus on negatives. We don't want to focus on what we won't do. Okay, we want to focus on what we will do, because when you're focusing on the negative, you're focusing on the pain, and your body, you won't want to do it. Okay, focus on the positive outcome, the thing you desire. We don't desire to not eat chocolate, okay? We desire for the outcome of not eating chocolate. So focus on the outcome, on what you want. Okay, so step 2 is you're gonna write it down. You are gonna write down your goal. You need to write it down, people. If you don't write it down, you're not gonna stick to it. So you're gonna write down your goal. Now, step 3 is you are going to say your goal. You're gonna read it out loud 10 times every day. Every day. And it's got to be out loud. And if you want bonus points, you can say it out loud while you look yourself in the mirror. Look at yourself in the mirror, because your mind your subconscious mind will start to reach that goal even though you don't realize it. So you need to say it out loud. So that is how you can kickstart your mind. That is the fastest and the easiest way to shift your mindset so that you can reach your goals. Keep in mind, you need to make your goal, your vision, so clear that all your fears become irrelevant. Okay? So in my next webinar, I'm going to share with you how you can kickstart your motivation, because we all struggle with that constant motivation, don't we? So I'm going to share with you exactly how to overcome that so that you can become like laser focused on your goals. So you don't want to miss it. And so it'll be tomorrow at the same time. All right, you guys, I promised if you stuck to the end, I would share with you how you can get over 80 healthy raw vegan recipes, because we may have a goal, but what we need is the meat and potatoes, the tools that will get us there. In my lifestyle trainer, I have over 80 healthy raw vegan recipes, and I'm going to let you guys try it out for a week for free. So go ahead and click the link down below, sign up for your free week. I also have a meal plan and a grocery list in there. It is so easy, you guys. It'll be on your phone. It's in your fingertips. You can't go wrong with it. So I would love it if you tried it out, and then let me know in the comments down below what you think. Also, if you want the book that goes with this webinar for Kickstart Your Mind, click the link down below and you can download it for yourself. So I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, where we are going to kickstart our motivation, and I will see you guys then. Bye.